In this video, I'll show you how to deactivate parental control on Epic Games. Firstly, open a web browser and sign in to your Epic Games account on the website. Once signed in, click on your profile in the top right corner and select Account from the drop-down menu. In the left sidebar, find and click on Parental Controls. Enter the parental PIN that was set up earlier and click on Confirm to proceed. So, turn off Always Require a PIN and set the Epic Games Store to Restricted. For social permissions, turn off Required PIN to add Epic Friends, adjust Epic Voice Chat permissions, and wherever you want. If you're unable to turn off parental controls, it might be due to your account being part of a connected or combined account system, where the parental account, which is typically a parent's email, has control over the settings. In this case, you'll need to request permission from the account holder or have them adjust the settings. And that's it, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.